Welcome to the place value house. So place value is a very important mathematical concept that has to be taught to the children when they are in pre-primary, because this concept will form the foundation for the future mathematical concepts like addition, subtraction, multiplication and much more. This is a place value house and we have ones, tens and 100, but today we are going to talk and learn about ones and tens. So like we all have rules in our house, there are some rules in this house too, that we can have only one digit in each room. Now, what is a digit? A digit is any number from 0 to 9. That is called as a one digit. For example, if I write here number 2, so it is a single digit or a digit because it has just one number. But if I just add 0 over here, so now can you tell me, does it have one digit or more than one digit? Yes, it has two-digit number because 2 is also a digit and 0 is also a digit. But there is some problem. We are breaking the rule because in one room we can have only one digit. But here are two digits. So now I am going to split them. I am going to split them and I am going to write 2 in the tens room and 0 in the ones room. This is still the number 20, but 2 is in tens place and 0 is in ones place. Now let's look at some ones block. So to show the ones block, you can make use of blocks or Legos, or you can also use ice cream sticks, but when you're using ice cream sticks, you're going to call it as sticks. But here, just for the purpose of teaching, I'm going to draw this over here and later I'm going to show you the blocks. Now let's look at the ones block. So when I draw here one block, it is one ones, that is represented by number 1. When I add 4 more, 2, let's count with me, 3, 4, 5. Now this is how many blocks now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 5. Okay, so when I write here number 5, if I write here number 5, are we breaking the rule? No, because number 5 is just a digit. Alright, now let's add 4 more blocks over here. Now this became 9. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now still 9 is a one digit number or single number. So do we have any problems? No, because the rule is that we can have only one number. But there is one more block coming in and it became number 10. Now can you tell me what's happening over here? There is some problem. Can you tell me what is the problem over here? Yes, number 10 is a two-digit number. So we cannot write 10 together in ones place. But hey, there is an amazing stuff that I learned the other day. So what happens when there are 10 ones block in the ones room? They all stuck together and forms a block. So for you, let's draw the block over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So when we have 10 ones block, they all stuck together and form a group of 10. So this tens block will go into tens room. So this tens block will go into tens room. And only tens blocks are allowed in this room. We cannot write or draw ones block into this room. It is not allowed. So only tens blocks are allowed in this room. Understood? Now let's revise. So when I draw one block in the ones room, there is no problem. It's a single digit 1. Now count with me as I draw 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is still a single digit number. Let's draw more. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is still a single digit number. But as we draw one more block, 10, what we're gonna do now? What's gonna happen now? Tell me. Yes, this all ones will stick together and form a group of 10. And that is called as a tens block. So let's draw over here. Now, so they're gonna form a tens block. So this tens block will be placed in which room? Ones room or tens room? Tens room. You all are amazing. Great job. So this tens block will be placed in the tens room. We always have to remember that this tens group is formed from the one tens block. So we can say that 10 ones is equals to 1 tens. Okay, so this 10 ones are together, they stuck together and form 1 tens. Now what happens when I have more than 10 blocks? Like if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. It's very, very easy now. So what we will do, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when it's a 10, we are instantly going to make a group of 10 and we are going to place that 10 in the tens room. Now what happens? Now if I make a tens group out of it, now how many are left over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is a single digit number. So it will remain in the ones room only. So I am gonna erase this now, as we already have a tens over here. So now we have how many tens? 1 tens. So I'm gonna write here 1. And how many ones do we have here? 5. So this will become 1, 5, 15. So 1 tens, 5 ones is equals to 15. Similarly, you can write more and practice more numbers. If I draw here one more block, it becomes 16. So 6, 1, 6, 16. So I hope you all understand this. So this is how you can demonstrate tens block or group of 10 to the kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is 1 10 and you can also show the loose blocks and we can count them as ones. You can also use ice cream sticks and make it as a bundle of 10. I hope you found this video useful. Please do subscribe to our channel for more such useful and fun learning videos for kids.